Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture in Zoom. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to change your profile picture on Zoom, firstly open your Zoom application. You will arrive on the home page of Zoom application. Click on More Options at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on your name and then on your profile photo. You can either take a photo or choose photo from gallery. To change your profile picture, click on one of the options. Here I'm going to tap on Choose Photo. Choose a picture from your gallery, crop the pic if you want to and then tap on tick icon on the top right corner of the screen. This is how you can change your profile picture on your Zoom application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.